Hello, my name is Yuvraj Pawar, and in this video I'll be showing the task 1 and task 2 of the Let's Grow More web development internship. So the task 1 was to create a single page website. So in order to do that, I have created my own portfolio website. So in creating this website, I have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, some Bootstrap, and then I have also used some JavaScript animation libraries to achieve these transition effects. The second task was to create a React app which fetches some data through an API. The data is the data that contains the particulars of these users. So this data is being fetched through an API and then rendered here. Right. So these were two tasks. The first one is hosted over at Heroku, and the second one has been hosted locally. So let's take a look at their source code. So for the task 1, as you can see here, the backend is built using Node, and the emailing functionality on the task 1 works as well. So as you can see here, this is the home page. Since it's a single page website, there is just a single file, and that's pretty much it about the first task. Now the second task was to display the user information fetched from an API using React. So as you can see here, this is the main index file wherein I have grabbed hold of the root element of the HTML page in order to render the React app. Then next I have used the use effect hook in order to fetch the data from the API. I have used the built-in browser's built-in fetch API in order to fetch that data. After that data is fetched, that data is converted into JSON, and then I have used the use state hook to set the array of data of the users. And after all of this fetching has been done, all this data is stored inside an array of users, and then that array is mapped, and each of the users information is passed down to the card component. Now let's take a look at the card component. Now inside the card component, we receive all the props that have been sent, like the key, name, email, and avatar. After those things have been received, we can access those things by using the prop dot the name of that prop. So all of those props are accessed here. First of all, we access the name, then we access the email ID, and we also display the avatar of the user. So all this is at the back end of the second project. Let's take a look at the second project one more time. So this is how it looks. When the page loads, the loader is displayed till the moment all the data gets loaded, and then the data itself is displayed. Now all of these projects have been hosted on GitHub, and the link to that you can find on my portfolio website page. It's also hosted on Heroku, which means if you go to this URL, you'll be able to see the portfolio website and access all of my GitHub projects, as well as follow me on LinkedIn. So this was all about my projects, about the Let's Grow More web developer internship. Thank you.